RS3 DAZA. Today it's still Monday, 12th of September. Alright. So the guys, they make some progress here. I remember to put the clip here on the crankshaft position sensor because I didn't put it in place before. Alright. So like I said, they make some progress. You remember before I was looking where it goes. This bracket, 1 second, take it out of my pocket. Yay! This one. I said this, it might going up where is the heat seal because it makes some vibrations. If you try to move it, it moves. Alright? Or it might go down here. And it looks like that it goes down here. This piece, it's under here inside, and then you're bolting it like that to be able to support the downpipe. So it means the heat shield up there on the exhaust manifold, it might rattle. Guys, you didn't put the oxygen sensors on? You didn't put the oxygen sensors on, eh? What you're waiting?
I'm not connected. We still have some sheets we can put. Sensor there and one sheet there.
Okay, I want to see you that. Okay, alright, fine. Alright, yeah, you have an access. Fine, fine. Let's put this together to see how it gonna looks like. It gonna looks like a bracket on a bracket. Yay! Nice, it's good, not bad. With one hand it's impossible. Not bad, eh? I'm showing you this because before I said, okay, either we're gonna go up or we're gonna go down, right? I said, worst case scenario, we're gonna see the installation instruction. And then the owner said to me, there is no installation instruction. I said, okay, we're gonna figure it out, right? So, yeah, so we have to pull the downpipe back or what? Because here I see the Grand Canyon. Let's remove the bolt to see how it sits there. Okay, it's not touching, fine. Alright, gentlemen, before you torque down this bolt here, you have to keep it up a little bit. Or we might put one spacer between. What are we gonna do? You're gonna connect all the exhaust to see that it's not touching nothing anywhere, and then we're gonna finalize this. Alright? Because it's a V-band, you know, you're gonna be steady, you're not gonna be able to move it up and down. So you're gonna start building the exhaust from front to rear. You're gonna align everything to be perfect, okay? And then we're gonna see what it takes here. We might put a spacer here. We need to see also the clearance from the bracket, don't touch. We might make a little bit massage up. There is a spiral here that it can absorb this, and when we're gonna warm up, we're gonna stay there forever. Okay. Yeah, they support it also inside with a pipe. That's a good one. Don't open a hole. Yep. Alright, okay. Fair enough. That's it. Moving on. Small update.